right? So you'll be able to see that particular part. Now, first what we will do, we will start with the solving a maximum sales challenge. So what we'll do, we'll go to this particular, there is a challenge, and it is a very small challenge I kept, because then it will be easy for you to understand that what the Power BI is and how it works. And we will go in a very slow manner so that you'll be able to understand in a better way. And if you feel that I'm going a little fast, or if you're not understanding, you can always ask me. Okay. So what is the challenge? Let me just zoom a bit over here so that you'll be able to see it properly. So who wins the Mercedes car competition? So this is the competition where there are 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. There are around 10 salespeople from the 3 different states. One is from the Delhi, one is from the Gujarat, and one is from the Maharashtra. So there is a S2S corporation, which is Scale Up to Scale Up corporation, who is into pharma retail business and has got offices in Delhi, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. And the salesman we want to hire who has got the maximum sale. So we have announced the price of amazing Mercedes car to the person who makes the most amount of sales, and we want to give the 3 cars to each of the employee in the each state. So one car will be given in the Delhi, one car will be given in the Gujarat, and one car will be given in the Maharashtra. And this is the small data set of around, let's say, you can see this entire data set is of around 264 count. So we will start with the smaller data set, and then slowly we will go into the data set with the 1 crore, let's say, counts as well. The data will be of 1 crore also. So we will go from 264 to slowly, so that you'll be able to understand in a much better way. So what is that? First is the date of sales. So first is the date of sales. What exactly the date on which the sale has happened. Then there is a states, that there is a Delhi, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and all of those things. And then there is a salesman, the person, the Rahul, Nihal, Manish, XYZ, all the people who have done the sales. And what are the products? There is a so there are different products like NetKits, VI booths, so visual inspection booth. Then there are computers, consumables, headphones, lot of let's say the sales of the products which is Scale Up to Scale Up corporation is doing. And then what is the quantity has been sold of. So there is a quantity has been sold of let's say different quantities. And then what was the total sales amount. Now if I want to find out in Excel, then what I need to do, maybe I can go over here, maybe I can put, let's say, the filter, maybe I can go with the total sales amount, maybe I can also do, let's say, pivot chart. I can convert this to the pivot table, and then I will go to the pivot table and identify who was the total sales. Or maybe I can also do like who is the total sales over here, so I can put, let's say, sum of this entire, and then maybe I can close the bracket and I can get a total sales over here, and then I will select let's say Aditya, and then I'll find out what is my total sales. But this is the very tedious. If I work in Excel, it becomes very tedious. So I will do Control Z for now. And how we can solve this challenge in the Power BI within just a fraction of seconds, that we will see. Do you want to see, everyone, guys? Do you want to see? Like, if you want to do this challenge in Excel, it takes a lot of time. Yes or no? Yeah. So how we can solve this challenge in a very simple way. Right now, the data is already transformed and it is already available, because the next module that we are going to see, that will be transforming the data, which is little difficult to understand. So we'll go right now the data which is already transformed. So now how we can connect this to the Power BI. So everyone who has joined from the laptop, please work with me so that you will be able to learn faster.